Production. Got a little bit of color on my face underneath, just because I like it. This also is going to add some definition. Lines add definition. Think of a man's jawline. When you see a sharp jawline, you're like, dang, that's a sexy jaw. Because he has a sharp, defined line. Ding, ding, ding. When you contour, make your contour line start from where your ear is. And then go from there. Add a little bit here. I don't really like to contour my nose that much. That is not professional. Guys, I'm gonna use paper towels, but I'm gonna use them today because I left my makeup wipes at home. They're just not with me. Now it's just a blending game from here, basically. Girl, is that Cricket? Is that you? Yes, girl, it's you, girl. Okay, right. All right. So normally that we got our base face. Our base face. We're gonna go in and set it. We want to make sure if you like what you see, set it. If you don't set it, because once you put that powder on, it's a wrap, literally. So if you like how you look, and look at yourself from every angle. Look at yourself from up here. Look at yourself from the side. Look at yourself from the other side. Because like I said, once you set it, it's done. So let me make sure I'm feeling what I'm doing, because you only get one time. Okay? I'm gonna put a little bit more creamy crack on my forehead, right chin, real quick like. And I like to roll this beauty blender sometimes because in my head, it works. Okay. All right. Let's set it off. All right. Where's my brushy that I like to set it off with? Gonna use the Studio Fix Max C5 underneath my eyes to set it with. It's my favorite. Okay. Pat and press. Pat, pat, and press. Oh, say no, pat and press. Seriously, pat and press. You want it to stay all night. One night long. You ain't use all this expensive makeup for nothing, girl. Set it. Set it off. I'm still feeling like my eyebrows are still a little bit fierce. I'm gonna go in and fix it. Set, set, set. I'm not afraid of, don't be afraid of the powder. If you have, okay, let me say this. Very important. If you have very oily skin like myself, like extra powder is good. If you have dry skin, you don't want to use too much powder because it's going to make your skin look how you don't want it to look. Just as earlier as I said with the driest, with the oily skin. If you have oily skin, you don't want to use too much oily product. That's why it's important to know what you want, what look you're going for in general. Wherever you don't put the powder, your makeup will move. It won't stay. So girl, you gotta be careful. Oh, I'm also gonna use this yellowy color from this Kat Von D palette. All right, and then what I'm gonna do after that, add a little bit more color. I'm gonna warm this up a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of orange. Orange. Oh man. Look at yourself. Make sure everything is turning out okay. Because everybody else is gonna be looking at you, so you get a good glimpse of you first. This is just to warm it up. That summertime glow. I don't want to do too much because I still got to contour a little bit. Blend, blend, blend. Take the time. Set out time to do your makeup. Don't, if you're not going to do it in the right way, don't do it. Please, 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 please. If you ain't going to do it the right way, don't do it. Seriously, this is your art. This is a talent. Like, come on. Gotta do it the right way. Alright, now I'm gonna go and contour with the powder. Look at yourself. Where I want my contour to be at. And then remember when I said contouring is just adding shadows. The shadow naturally hits underneath my lips, so if you want to amplify that a little bit more to make your lip look bigger, which I really don't need to, but I'm going to do it just for tutorial purposes, you want to put it right here where that line is, where that shadow is. And then I put a little bit on my nosies. Just a little bit, just a little taste. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, mommy. Alright, and then you want to go back and blend it out. I'm going to use a little bit more of that other powder, that matte powder. Blend that bad boy out. Let them know who's boss. I'm going to put a little bit of powder under her. Put some powder on my forehead. Some people call it a 5 head, but you know what? I know more than they do. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit more powder over here too. I'm a perfectionist, y'all, so that's why y'all, I am a makeup artist, because I'm very detail oriented. It's all about the details, honey bunny. Alright, and blend, blend, blend. Blend it in, girl. Oh yeah, I said I wanted to take care of these brows. Part 2. I'm just gonna put a little bit more light brown on it here. We can feel the fade. Well, so I can at least. Okay, let's scribble it out a little bit. Uh-oh. Girl, why did you do that? Okay. Oh, let me set that face. Because she thinks she's going to try to go somewhere. She stayed until I turn her off. Let's move on to the eyes. The best part. What am I doing? Oh. I'm going to use this. This brownish color. 9 times out of 10, when I do my eyes, I have no like desired look that I go for. I just do. Oh, what we? Okay, what am I looking for? Oh, I'm gonna set this concealer first so that it doesn't move. That's probably what I should have did with that brush that I just used, but I'm gonna use this brush instead. The people are gonna be like, "Oh, that's too much makeup." Okay. Come on here, stepping on the scene with the crown. Look like you got on clown makeup if you want to. That ain't enough makeup. Okay. So I'm just gonna do my Thisnai with this transition color. I just be doing my thing.